Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw one mascot. Okay. So see, first I will draw one curve from here, again one curve from here, again one curve from here like this. Okay. Now what you have to do? Again one curve like this, again one curve like this. Draw a slanting line, one slanting line from here, and now just curve it from here, curve it from here, curve it from here, curve it from here, like this. Join it. Okay. And from here then again curve like this, again draw the curve like this, and now just join it. Okay, it's very simple. Now see, just from here draw the U shape. Okay, U, join it, and now one curve from here like this, and another curve from here. Now one curve from like this and one like this, then draw the triangle shape. Okay, and another triangle shape like this over here. See, now just I will draw over here V shape, again V shape, one curve, another curve, then I will join this. Okay, and now I will make this double from here, double from here, and after this I'm going to draw curve like this and one curve like this. Then I will draw one circle from here. Okay, draw the curved line like this, join this here, curve, 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 and now one curve like this, straight line, join it. Again from here curve like this, curve from here. Okay, one curve like this, and then just draw the shape like this, U shape, U shape, U shape, U shape. Okay, and after like this, just I will hold the shape like this, then the circle first. Okay, over here I will first I will write like in D, then I will make it double, means one semicircle like straight line, 9. Okay, then first I will draw the 5 like this, then I will make it double like this. Okay, 95. One line from here, one line from here, one line from here, then join it, join it. Now what you have to do, just I will make it double from here. Okay, and I will zoom in out little bit. See, from here I'm going to draw the shape like this, same like we drawn a shoe. First curve, then from here one line, two line, join it. Okay, now from here same way, line like this, first curve it, bring it down, join it. One line from here, one line from here, join it, and join it from here. Okay, and now we are going to start coloring. Okay, so first I will take the before coloring, what should we do? We should make our drawing lighter. Okay, we should make our drawing lighter. And after this, I'm just zooming in so that you can see properly. Now just do the deep yellow. Okay, just take out your deep yellow and do the deep yellow fully over here like this. And then just with the geranium, okay, with the geranium, do this part properly. The geranium I'm doing, you can use any kind of red color. His skin is red in color. Okay, now see over here also I'm just going to do it. Fully, okay, fully just do it. After geranium, I'm going to do the here orange color. Okay, orange color. Acha, here his tail I have not drawn. Na? Just draw the tail like this and the red. Okay, I'm going to use the primary red. His tail, okay, tail portion. Now I will take the medium yellow. Okay, I will take the medium yellow, do the medium yellow over here, and the V shape. And now see, just do the just take out your black color. Okay, now I'm going to do the black color. First inside this one. And now inside this glass marker, I'm just doing it here like this. Filling it, okay, filling it full. Then here I'm going to use the uh, deep yellow, and over here I'm going to use the brilliant blue. Okay, brilliant blue color, like this. Okay, and then after this I'm going to use the deep yellow over here. Okay, the deep yellow, and now fully I'm just going to do the border. Just and this portion I'm going to do the black color fully. This portion fully the black color. So your mascot is ready. Okay, and you can do here the light green. Okay, little bit light green over here, light green or yellow green, anyone you can use. Okay, and after doing this now, from here you can use deep green for making the grasses. Just do the strokes. Okay, just try to do the strokes. Okay, so your mascot is ready now. And here this one is, just write the first medal, do the border. Now it's ready.